Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Talk and Tips. In today's video, we will discuss about how to create default signature in MS Outlook. So let's start the video. Before we start, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So first, we will discuss how to create default signature in MS Outlook for new email and reply and forward. So first of all, you just open your Outlook account. So in Outlook, just click on new email option. So once you click on new email, a pop-up window will appear where in navigation pane you will see signature option is there. Just click on signature option. Another window will appear. So new signature, edit signature name. So here you have to give the signature name. So let's say for example, I'm giving the signature name as new email. So this is the name of the signature I have given. And to create the signature, so just create a signature here. So here I'll just write thanks and regards, name and your mobile number. So this is the signature I have created for new email. Again, I want to change the font size, font color and style. So how we can do that? Just select the text where you want to apply the format. So here I'm just selecting thanks and regard first. Here I'll just make it bold. I'll just put some color here. So I'm selecting this dark blue color for thanks and regards. And now you will see thanks and regards is in bold and dark blue color. Again, I want this name and mobile number to be in different colors. So what we will do, we will just go to the formatting option, font color option. Again, I'll select the font color. And if we want, then we can change the font size of this text. So I want this text to be in 11. So this is the signature I have created. Again, if you want, you can add your company address, company email ID, your email address. So you can add your email here. Just hit save here for new message and for reply and forward. So I have just created new email signature template. So just click save here. Again, I just create another template for reply and forward. So reply / forward. So here I'll just create thanks and regards, my name. So I don't want to put the company address, I don't want to put my mobile number, so I'll just say thanks and regards and my name. So what I'll do, I'll just change the font color and font style here. So I'll just make it bold. I'll change the font color here. So font color is dark blue. Again, I'll select the name, change the style, font size I'll keep it 11 and the font color I'll just change it to dark blue. So this is how the signature will appear. So I'll just hit save again. So now we have two signature type. One is new email and another is reply and forward. So what we will do, we will select default signature here. For new message, I'll select new email signature type, and for reply and forward I'll select reply. I'll just hit save here. Whenever I'll just create new message, the default signature type will be this, reply and forward to any message which I receive. The another signature template, that is reply and forward, where I have not mentioned my mobile number and email address. So this is how we can create signature in Microsoft Outlook. So let's see how it will appear whenever we will try to send new email and whenever we will try to reply and forward to any message. So let's see for the new email. So just click new email. Here you can see thanks and regards, name, mobile number and email. And let's see for the reply and forward. So I received this email. I'll just make a reply or forward. I just click forward. So here you can see thanks and regards, my name is there, no mobile number, no signature. Another thing, I just wanted to Microsoft Teams chat link in the signature itself, so that anyone can click that chat link and it will directly open the Microsoft Teams application and it will navigate to my chat only. So how we will do that? Now again, we will go to the signature area, select the signature, and here we will put the signature. So this is the signature for new email, and so here I want to put MSTeams chat. So let's put chat with me. This is the text I want to display here, and here just select the text, go to the formatting option. There is an option called insert link. So before inserting the link, let's understand the link is https:/teams.microsoft.com/l/chat/0/0 users your email ad. So here the format should be user equal to your email ad. So I'll just copy this one and put this as a link. So we have the Outlook signature tab. We will select the text, go to the formatting option, click on the link, chat with me on MS Teams. This is the display text. Here we will put the link, OK. So now this text will appear as a link. So if someone will click on this link, it will navigate to the MS Teams chat window. You hit save, and now we will see. I'll just create new email. So yeah, chat with me on MS Teams. This link is there. If someone will click on this link, it will navigate to Microsoft Teams. It will directly go to the chat window of that particular email. Similarly, we will create WhatsApp chat link in the email signature. So how we will do that? Go to new email, again go to signature, and here we will create a chat link for WhatsApp. So this is the MS Teams chat link. Again we will create WhatsApp chat link. Before creating a WhatsApp chat link, let's see. WhatsApp chat link is https://wa.me/ again mobile number. So here how we will do that? Copy this one and replace mobile number with your mobile number. So I'll just replace this with mobile number. This is the link we have to provide, and again we will write some text here. So chat with me on WhatsApp. So this is the text. We'll just select the text, go to formatting option, click on the link, and we'll paste this. Hit OK and save it. So now whenever we will create new email, it will give me thanks and regards, name, mobile number, email address, chat with me on MS Teams, chat with me on WhatsApp. So this is how you can customize your email signature. So there are few email signature templates that is available on Microsoft 365 website. So here you just have to visit to this website, create.microsoft.com, email signature. So here you will see multiple signature templates. You can click on any signature template which you like. You can edit this signature template with your contact information, name, address, and you can use this signature template. This is it for today's video. If you like the content, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.